Welcome to my YouTube channel. If today is your first day of watching my videos, please subscribe to this channel because I always drop very good information here about the trading. So if you are still learning how to trade, please subscribe. And even if you are an experienced trader, you can still subscribe and then learn more information from here. Thank you. So I want to show you something here. I'm not going to make this video very long. It's a simple strategy here I want to show you. Some people are missing out. Some people are entering the market blindly. Some people are trading the breakouts just like that. So I want to show you something here. This is the 4-hour time frame. When you go to the daily time frame, you can see the daily time frame. We are in a downtrend. You see, we are in the downtrend. As you can see, we are in the downtrend. You see, yes, we are in the downtrend. So let's go to the 4-hour time frame. This is the 4-hour time frame. You see the market now, it's heading towards down. So this is a solid level. This is a solid level here. So you mark your level. This is the support level for this. You understand? So when you mark, you can see the same level here. This market, it fails to break here, and later on it broke it. So you mark the level. As you can see, this bearish candle, you see this juicy bearish 2 candles was able to break this level down. So you are not supposed to enter here. When you see the breakout, don't enter. Otherwise, you'll be stopped out. But people will start buying from here. See, some people will start selling from here because this low was breaking, so they will start selling from here. They will start selling from here, and you'll be stopped out. This will stop you out. Let me show you this. This candle will stop you out. So what you're going to do is that you go to the lower time frame. After marking this level, you go to the lower time frame to check your criteria of what do you call it, entry, your entry properties, your confirmations there. You check, you wait for your I always say wait for change of character, the imbalance, the order block there, the extreme order block, then you enter your sell limits. So let's go there and let me show you something about it. So let's go to the 15 minutes time frame. Okay. So okay, this is the 15 minutes time frame. This is the 15 minutes time frame, guys. So as you see this this is the level. So after breaking the level, you wait. You initiate your trade here. Make sure you place it the sell limit. Put your stop loss above this. Then you see what happened here. See what happened here. Imagine you entered here. See. So that's how we trade breakouts. Make sure when the level is broken, make sure that you wait for the market to come to the same level to retest, break and retest. That's how we trade break and retest. So that's how it is. So I'll end here. I don't want this video to be long, so I'm just going to end here. I hope you get value in this video. Always let this be in your mind. Make sure after breaking the level, you wait for retest. Don't enter because the level is being broken. No, just wait for retest. Okay, thank you guys. If you get value in this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Let's push this at the end.